Hi, I'm Paula Lynn Duke from Weyburn, Saskatchewan. I'm reviewing the Thinkware front and rear dash camera, which I've put to the test.
To install the product, it is fairly simple. You just need to stick the connector onto your windshield wherever you want to have it placed. I have it placed at a site directly behind my rear view mirror. I think that's a great spot for it. After you put the sticky part on, you just slide the camera into the connector and it goes in fairly quickly, fairly easily. Again, I'm just using one hand to do this. Very simple. Once you attach the wire to the camera, you just can seat it in between the gaps from your roof to your window. You can just put it in there. It goes in quite easily, hidden away from view. Again, this is something I'm just doing with one hand. Once you have the cord hidden away in the gaps in your vehicle, you can use the provided stickies to attach the cable around your steering column and underneath so that it stays safely out of your way. And that's all there is to it. That's really as involved as it gets in installing this camera. I'm very happy with the Thinkware F200. I like the crisp quality of the recording, and I like how it automatically sends recordings into pre-selected folders into the Thinkware app, so that if there's an incident, or if you manually record, or if you're just doing the continuous recording, you can easily go into those folders, find the videos you're looking for, and retrieve them with ease. I also like that at night the video is also clear, it's also crisp, and should there be any sort of an incident, I know that it will be recorded and put into the folders as appropriate. I like the Thinkware Dashcam F200 because I drive to work for an hour and a half every day, and I always am concerned about wildlife. But now I know that if I do happen to hit any wildlife on my way to work, the Thinkware Dashcam will record immediately before the incident, during the incident, and after the incident, so I can bring it to my insurance agent.
I really enjoyed putting the Thinkware front and rear dash camera to the test. I think it's an excellent product, and I 100% would recommend it to my friends and family.